This video will cover 5 unsettling events that have recently made headlines, ranging from celebrities acting inappropriately to courtroom outbursts. These stories are likely to leave you feeling incredulous. Former Baywatch actress Patricia assaulted another passenger on a Delta flight and got detained. She gained notoriety again for her behavior, including spitting on a man and pouring water on someone's leg. 1 year of imprisonment and a $100,000 fine was mandated for her, in addition to facing charges of driving under the influence in Walton County.
What about him? Mask up. Mask up. Put your mask up. Tell him.
You got your mask down,
Sir.
Stop. You're going to jail. As soon as we get it later, you're going to jail. Karens. Hey, spit on me. You double going to jail. Sit down, Karen. Sit down. Look, she punched me.
Put your mask on. Tell him to put his mask on. Put your mask on.
She punched me. She scratched my face. I want her to fuck
Put
out.
your mask on. Put your mask on.
Put yours on.
She went crazy on the airplane. Punched this man in the face, spit on him, scratched him.
A man filmed a car accident and told the Karen involved that the video would be on YouTube. The Karen threatened the man and demanded he turn off the camera. The police officer intervened, and the Karen repeatedly demanded that the camera be turned off, saying she did not want to be on the internet.
I'm going to write this up.
Because right now I can make a fist with no problem. I've broke many people's arms, and because it's his fault. He's the one that crossed over in front of me.
Don't break arms right now, because I got to get this written up, okay?
Put the camera away.
This is gonna look awesome on YouTube.
I'll tell you right now, mister, that freaking shows up on YouTube, I will find you. And yes, it's a threat. Tell him to shut the camera off.
Hey, hold on, man. Settle down.
On a Scott officer, tell him to shut the camera off now.
By law, I can't.
On a Scott, this shows up on YouTube. Robinson Township, I'm coming after, and I'm
You're going to
coming
sue me
after
for
you.
what? I suggest you get in your vehicle, sit on.
Don't touch me.
Get off!
Don't
Shut
touch
it
me.
off!
Don't
Shut
touch
it
me.
off now!
Go sit in your vehicle.
I do not like my picture taken.
Ma'am, listen to me. Sit in your vehicle.
Tell him to shut it off now.
Go sit in your vehicle. He can't take you, okay? Go sit in your vehicle. I'm
I
gonna
do
write
not
this
want
up.
this on YouTube. I don't want
Ma'am,
to. Tell him to shut it off now.
But shut the camera off.
Shut it off
Okay?
now.
Okay, it's off.
Get in your
Shut it off now.
It's off. Shut it off.
Put the goddamn thing in your car
Ma'am,
now.
Listen.
No.
Get in your vehicle. I'm going to arrest you for creating a disturbance, okay? Do you understand me? Sit down. Let me write this up. We'll get everybody underway.
He's taping me again.
Ma'am.
He's taping me again. I do not like that stuff. I do not like that stuff.
In your vehicle.
Sir, I don't like that stuff. I hate that
You're
stuff.
creating a scene, okay?
I don't care.
Get your vehicle. He's going to get in his vehicle. I'm going to write this
I
up.
want
and
that
we'll get
off.
here, okay?
I want that off.
Sir,
I want that off, and I want it off now. That is my right, and I don't like that shit. I don't like to be on the internet at all. I don't believe in the internet. Please.
Your vehicle, okay?
I want
Not
that.
putting it on the YouTube. Just get in there, sit down.
Yeah, he just said it was going on YouTube, and I don't want it. It's all be going. It's on YouTube. You guys are all gonna be fucking dead.
If you're going to sue me, you're going to jail. Now sit down and shut up.
Sherry Lynn from Florida is charged with felony battery and resisting arrest with violence. During her court appearance, she is uncooperative and swears at the judge. The judge orders her to stay away from a woman named Cynthia Cuba and gives her a $50 fine, along with a psychiatric evaluation.
Trying to help you, and please don't use profanity or try and disrupt my courtroom, because I don't want to be forced to hold you in contempt of court. Mr. Snyder's trying to help you. And I'm ordering that you stay away from Cynthia Cuba. Do not have any contact with her, and you must stay away from her home or place of business. As to the other case,
Who is this Cynthia Cuba? Tell me.
I
Who
think
the
you
you referring
allegedly
to?
tried to hit with the pliers. The other case, F-50 426,
Rifle, grab your
bond
leg.
gun is $5,000.
Hey!
Leave
Hey!
down to and
Hey!
was just like
Hey!
was just something different.
It's
Just try to grab your
$5,000 and
lunch,
cafeteria is $1,000. Have a nice day.
2 family members were thrown out of a murder trial for laughing at the grieving victims in court. They were sentenced to 93 days in jail for disruptive and disrespectful behavior. The judge labeled them clowns and warned they might face imprisonment if they didn't demonstrate appropriate behavior in court. The judge also ordered one of them to go to Wayne County Jail for direct criminal contempt.
Too, because if you don't know how to act, you can go to jail. So leave. Anybody that can sit there and laugh and smirk when somebody, take her, she's going in the back. She's going in the back. Anybody else want to go? You can go too. This is a court of law. And these are very serious matters. And I understand you all are upset because your loved one is going to prison. But guess what? She's going to prison for the choices that she made. Being taken into custody for criminal contempt. Your disruptive and disrespectful behavior disrupted today's proceedings. And you, ma'am, are going to the Wayne County Jail for 93 days for direct criminal contempt. Anybody else want to go?
Shayna Huber faces murder charges for killing her boyfriend, Ryan Poston. Despite lengthy sentencing and the court accepting the jury's recommendation of life imprisonment, she shows no remorse. She tries to sway the jury by recounting being bullied as a child, but it doesn't affect the verdict. Shayna is 31 years old and has been sentenced to life imprisonment without the possibility of parole until 2032. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these stories as shocking as we did. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest events.
And I was a good student, and I was made fun of and called a nerd, and my parents were very strict, and they made me wear more modest clothes than the other children that weren't necessarily stylish, and I was picked on a lot as a child. It went on for years. It was so bad in middle school that the other girls, when I entered a new private school, had all been friends since kindergarten, and I was the new kid, and it was a K-12 school that I entered in 7th grade. And I wasn't allowed to sit at their lunch table. They were very cruel to me, and I ate lunch every day for years in the bathroom. And because I was so thin and tall, I was made fun of, and the other children made up rumors that I had an eating disorder.